Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a Halloween decoration which is MDF coffin shape. It has two parts, like two layers, one full base layer and then only the frame which goes on top. Before I will adhere both layers together, I want to add a bottom layer, a texture, and for that I will use the Crackle paste from Finnabair, and I will apply it quite heavily to create big cracks, and then I will use acrylic paint. I got liquid acrylics here, and I will paint all over the cracks, but I will also splash it with the water so the color will actually go into the cracks to make them even more visible. The top layer I'm going to paint with the dark chocolate paint, and I added a Crackle paste also to that thin layer, and then when the paint is dry I will adhere both parts. I'm also going to add a little bit of that color to the base. I had some gaps where I didn't apply the texture paste, so I will paint those spaces as well with the chocolate paint. To decorate the coffin, I will use some shapes made with Finnabair molds. I've got the mold with the bones and with the skulls here. I will also use like a clock shape, what is it? I don't know, element. And some I will paint with the same acrylic paint I was painting the coffin, the base. And then the other I will paint with black gesso and then apply wax on top of it, just to give it a bit of shine and to and depth with the color. I don't want to have it like opaque black. I also have a little light bulb, and yeah, that will be it. Then I'm going to add some flowers and other little elements. You should look for elements that are suitable for the project you're doing. Of course, I always check all my drawers, and even if not all, just look around for what I could use. I try to use the stash I have hidden in the cupboards and that I haven't used for a while. So yeah, with every project I try to pull out something really old and use it. A part of the resin elements and the flowers, I also have dry roots. I have one branch of plastic branches which I bought in Poundland, I think. I don't remember exactly, but I will cut it into smaller pieces. You just look for the bits and pieces that could go with your project. If you will be looking for the name of the products I'm using, please check the box below the video. I try to list as many as I can, at least all I can find. Some of the products I use are really old, not longer available, so please bear in mind that you may not be able to buy them, but with everything you can find something similar that can replace the item I have if you would like to create a similar project. So I wanted that watch frame to be one of my top layers. That's why I have many elements underneath. I love layering. I think it just gives an interest to a project. On top of that element I will have a piece of black lace. You can barely see it, but when I will take a photo, maybe it will be more visible, and then I will have the skull on top, plus later I will add few beads to add more texture to it. But this will be like my composition will be almost finished, almost done. I will add those branches and roots to add even more texture. I imagine it like the skull is in the center, and then there is a lot of going on underneath and around it. To finish off my coffin, I will add some mini stones and black glitter. I will stick it to the project with the gel medium, and then I will use black paint or black gesso to add more shadow to some areas. And also I have added a little handle on top of the coffin, because I found that place really empty, so I wanted to have something there. And this will be it for today. I hope you enjoy the video. I really like my creation. It's not very often that I like it so much, but I love this one. It's super, super cute. It is scary but cute. I invite you to create something similar. Let me know if you will. Thank you very, very much for watching and for leaving the comments under my videos. It means a lot to me. Thanks a lot. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.